Are you best stainless steel chafing dishes? Stainless steel chafing dishes are indispensable tools for hosting events, catering services, and buffet setups, providing a reliable way to keep food warm and presentable. With options ranging from budget-friendly to premium designs, selecting the right chafing dish can be challenging given the variety of features, materials, and capacities available. List number: chafing dishes for buffet 4-pack. The Zalode chafing dish set stands out for its luxurious gold and silver color scheme, adding a touch of elegance to any event. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this 9-quart set is designed for durability and excellent food insulation. Its rolled edge technology ensures safe handling, while the user-friendly setup minimizes assembly time. The striking aesthetic and sturdy construction make this set ideal for upscale occasions like weddings and corporate events. Performance-wise, the Zalode set delivers exceptional retention through water vapor circulation, ensuring dishes remain warm and fresh. The rolled edge design significantly reduces the risk of finger cuts, enhancing user experience. However, at 36.3 pounds, the set is relatively heavy, which may pose challenges for frequent transportation. Its premium price tag reflects the quality and design, making it a top choice for those prioritizing aesthetics and functionality. List number: chafing dishes for buffet 4-pack. The Rambic chafing dish set offers a polished silver finish and a robust 9-quart capacity, delivering a balance of elegance and practicality. Its rolled edge design prioritizes safety, while the integrated stand simplifies assembly. This set is particularly suited for holiday parties, church events, and casual gatherings, thanks to its straightforward design and reliable performance. While the Rambic set excels in insulation and ease of use, its mirror-like finish is prone to fingerprints and smudges, requiring frequent cleaning to maintain its aesthetic appeal. With a lighter weight of 26.1 pounds, it is easier to transport than heavier models, making it a practical option for mobile catering setups. The slightly lower customer rating, 4.5 stars, reflects minor concerns about durability over extended use. List number: chafing dishes for buffet 4-pack. The MRI Cell chafing dish set combines practicality with a sleek mirror finish, offering an 8-quart capacity suitable for medium-sized gatherings. Its foldable frame and stackable pans make storage and transportation convenient, while the rolled edge design ensures safe handling. This set is ideal for catering professionals who value portability and compact storage options. Despite its compact design, the MRISL set is slightly heavier at 33.5 pounds, which may limit its portability. Its insulation performance is commendable, keeping dishes warm for extended periods. However, the slightly smaller 8-quart capacity compared to other models may not suffice for larger events. Its 4.4-star rating reflects positive feedback on ease of use, but occasional concerns about long-term durability. List more: Renge 5QT chafing dishes. The Renge chafing dish set is a budget-friendly option, offering a compact 5-quart capacity per tray. Designed for smaller gatherings, this set features food-grade stainless steel construction and double handles for easy serving. Its lightweight design and dishwasher-safe components make it a practical choice for casual events and home use. While the Renge set is affordable, its smaller capacity may not be suitable for larger events. Its heating and cooling versatility is a standout feature, allowing users to maintain food temperature effectively. However, the thinner stainless steel construction raises concerns about long-term durability. Customer reviews, 4.3 stars, highlight its value for money, but note occasional issues with stability during use. List number: chafing dishes for buffet 4-pack. The Case Casina chafing dish set offers a high-grade stainless steel construction with durable steel handles and a generous 9-quart capacity. Its foldable frame and rolled edge rims enhance portability and safety, making it an excellent choice for professional catering services. The clearly marked water level lines prevent dry burning, ensuring optimal performance during extended use. With a 4.9-star rating, this set is highly praised for its durability and user-friendly design. Its slightly heavier weight, 39.6 pounds, may pose challenges for transport, but the foldable frame compensates by simplifying storage. The Case Cocina set is a premium option for users who prioritize reliability and performance, particularly in professional settings.